In this chapter, we're diving into a topic that's not only functional, but also designed for those who want to showcase their hydroponic skills right at home. Yes, we're talking about the homegrown hydroponics system. So, why a homegrown system? Well, for starters, it's perfect for hobbyists who want to grow fresh, vibrant plants right in the comfort of their homes. Whether you're looking to impress your friends or simply enjoy the therapeutic benefits of tending to your own hydroponic garden, this system is tailor-made for you. Let's take a look at the key components of our homegrown hydroponic system. We have a compact nutrient reservoir, a stylish and space-efficient grow chamber, and a set of LED grow lights that not only promote optimal plant growth, but also add a touch of sophistication to your setup. There are various types of homegrown hydroponic systems, such as cart key method, deep water culture, nutrient film technique, and ebb and flow. Each has its own advantages and is suitable for different plants and environments. Today, we'll focus on a beginner-friendly system to help you get started. This system is carefully crafted to be visually appealing. The transparent reservoir allows you to showcase the nutrient-rich water, and the LED lights create a mesmerizing display, making it a perfect conversation starter for your home. Every component is user-friendly and comes with step-by-step instructions. You don't need to be an expert to get started, just need some basic knowledge about how hydroponic works. So, there you have it. A homegrown hydroponic system that's compact, stylish, and incredibly rewarding to use. Remember, hydroponics isn't just about growing plants. It's about creating a sustainable, efficient, and enjoyable way to connect with nature, no matter where you live. Start small, learn the basics, and soon you'll see how quickly your plants and your passion can grow.